So hello everybody, welcome back into another video, and today I'm going to review SoFi investing platform. So it is an modern app that lets you invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, and more, all commission free. So whether you're brand new to investing or just looking for a clean all-in-one experience, SoFi might be your next go-to. So stick around because I'll break down some of the top alternatives if you're not quite sold. So let's get started. So first things first, what is SoFi Invest? So SoFi Invest is a beginner-friendly commission-free investing app that's part of the larger SoFi ecosystem, so which includes banking, credit, loans, and more. Which with SoFi Invest, you can trade stocks, ETFs, crypto, or let the app invest for you automatically with a robo-advisor style portfolio. And yep, that's all with no management fees, so that's pretty good for you. So interface and experience of Sophie. So I'm here on the interface. It's pretty good. The app is pretty clean, very fast, very beginner focused. The layout is minimal. Trades are easy to place, and your portfolio is always front and center. So compared to more advanced platforms like Fidelity, Webull, or SoFi, keeps things simple and doesn't overwhelm you with technical jargons or charts. Perfect for casual investors. Now the features here is number one features: zero commission on stock and ETF trades. Very nice. Practical shares invest as little as $5, and also crypto trading, including BTC, ETH, and Sol and more. So if you're big on crypto, this is pretty good. And also automated investing. You pick a risk level and SoFi does the rest. And IPO investing, so get in before companies to go public. And also social investing insights, see what others are buying, seamless integration with SoFi money, loans, and credit. So that's pretty good. So fees and pricing. So SoFi itself does not charge any commission on trades. That's a very huge win, and their automated investing portfolios also free. No advisory, fees. Crypto trades do have a 1.25% markup, which is higher than some competitors, but it's transparent and built into the price. So who is it for? SoFi Invest is great for new investors looking for a clean, simple app, busy professionals who want automation, and crypto curious users who want, everything in one place, or anyone already in the SoFi banking or loans. It all connects smoothly if you're in the ecosystem of SoFi. This is pretty good. So, top alternatives here, you have Robinhood as always. Robinhood is pretty good. So you have Robinhood. You also have Fidelity.com. Fidelity is a bit old, but it's very trusted. So, look at the website, it looks very old right here. So this is Fidelity.com. You also have, Webull, as I mentioned. So we have Webull here. Very good. And we also have Acorns. So you have Acorns here. Very nice. Join Acorn. No, Aeron at your Acorn. So that's pretty good. And okay, so each platform has its strength. Let's go down a bit on what is here. So Robinhood is pretty good. Robinhood, super clean interface like SoFi, option trading, and more crypto tokens. Lacks full service features like retirement accounts. So that's where SoFi shines. You also have Fidelity, full service broker with retirement tools and in-depth research. Better for long term and investing and serious planning. Not as modern feeling, but extremely trusted. Pretty good. You also have Webull. So Webull is, best for more active traders, those who love charts, advanced analytics, and real-time market depth. No fractional shares though, so that's one of the downside. So we have Acorns, great for passive investors. Automatically runs up spare change and invest it. But monthly subscription fee is required, so you do need to pay for it. So my conclusion: each platform has its own strength, but SoFi wins in simplicity and ecosystem integration. But if you want advanced tools or more crypto options, the other might suit you better. So, my conclusion here is SoFi Invest is a strong pick if you're starting out and want everything from banking to investing in one slick app, and no commissions, easy automation, and built-in crypto. That's hard to beat for beginners. So if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which platform are you using to invest right now. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.